We just removed a trampoline and have this huge patch of bald spot in our yard. I'm going to try to grow some grass back. I bought this 10-pound bag of Patchmaster from Scotts, which says it's a lawn repair mix. Starts to grow in as few as 7 days, so let's see about that. This is a sunshade mix. You can see it in there on the side. It's got grass seed made of perennial ryegrasses, fine fescues, and Kentucky bluegrass for sunny and shady conditions. It's got 100% recycled mulch to help keep the seed moist and in place. And then it's got nitrogen that's going to release and feed it for up to 6 weeks. Kind of all in one here, and it even goes over the steps of what to do. Remove dead grass and weeds, loosen the top 2 inches of soil, shake the bag to mix the contents, evenly spread a thin layer of Patchmaster lawn repair mix to the area. This bag will cover about 145 square feet, or if doing it in thin areas, up to 290 square feet. Then you're going to give a thorough watering, then water daily. Here it is after 10 days. I'm so pleasantly surprised with how it's sprouting nice and evenly. I could have done thicker with the seed. I just didn't want to run out. So I recommend buying enough so that you have plenty to go around where you need it, but this stuff is amazing.